Okay, hi everyone. This is what you're going to be making in your first class. This is your ugly Shanghai building. And look, I've just got a few of these shortcuts and menu items that I'm going to be using in class. I just won't go through them all just now. Just take a time to write those down. All right, now I've opened up the file. Hopefully, I've got a link to this file if you want them as well. Very simple. Now, first of all, if you're starting on a new computer, just make sure you're going up to Create, Polygon Primitives, and you've got your interactive creation turned on. Okay. Now, other things you probably want your modeling. And also you got your polygon menu up here selected. Okay, this is the tool we're going to be using first. I'm going to click on it. And very simple, I'm just going to click on the part of the image I want to use. Click and drag. Good. And then I'm going to click up. Alright, and there I go. And yep, I can use W to move. I'll just move that around. Yep, all looking good there. Yep, now, next thing I'm going to do, Command D. Alright, I think that's edit, duplicate, Command D, Command D, and let's see if I can move those. Yep, here I go. Down. Yep, and I'll do that again. Command D. Alright, so I should have 3 of those pillars already. Now I'm going to do this middle one. I forgot to put that in the template. I'm just going to go into the middle, just do a smaller one. Go to my side view and push up. Okay, press W to get my move tool, and there I go. Okay, there we go. Let's have a look. Alright, should be okay. Great. Now, next one, I'm going to be making those 3 balls. I'm going to use my sphere tool. Alright, again, use this as a guide. Here we go. Okay, that looks okay. Okay, and then move it up. Good. Command D to make a copy. All right. R to scale, and I'm just going to scale from the middle. All right, so it just fits in a bit nicely. Command D to duplicate again. W to move, and there I go. Lastly, R to scale, and I'm just going to scale from the middle. All right, there I go. Okay, I might just W move this in, try to make it a bit more in the middle. Excellent. Now, next things to do, I don't know why that does that. Let's go View, Default View. Let's see if that works. Why does it do that? All right, I can't figure these out. Panel, orthographic, no, perspective, perspective. Don't know why this does this. All right, view, look at selection, default view. There I go. I'm not quite sure why I have these problems with the camera. If someone can tell me, please let me know. Right, next things we're going to do is we're going to do those diagonal columns. All right, here. Now I'm going to use my tools. It's those 2. Yep, excellent. Okay. All right, let's use my column tool. Start this one. Okay. Click and drag. Spacebar. Click and drag up. All right. Now I'm going to be wanting to put this on at an angle. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to press and hold my D key. Alright. Alright, 5. Alright, so I'm going to press and hold D, and now press and hold D, and I should be able to move my pivot point all the way down to the bottom. Press E to scale, sorry, E to rotate, and I can just drag it over. Okay, that looks good from at this angle. But if I go up, yep, you can see at my top angle, at my top view, I should say, that it's not quite correct. So I'm just going to need to rotate that over like so. Okay, possibly even scale it up a little bit as well. Alright. E down like so. Okay, I think that all looks fine. Good. Alright, now I'm going to quicken this up a bit. I'm going to press number 4 to get my wireframe. Now I'm going to press D to move my pivot to about the center point. Okay, so now if I press Command D, I duplicate, and I should be able to rotate it nice and easy like that. Alright, and that seems to work quite nicely. Okay, I'll do that again. Command D, and again. Alright, so I've been able to get those columns looking like that quite nicely. Excellent. Okay, next one. Let's do the columns going the other way. Use the columns, bang, click and drag, and I'll go down here, click and drag up. Alright, follow the same, okay? Press and hold D, drag your pivot point down, E to rotate. Okay, now I can rotate it. R, possibly scale it down like so. Having a look at the top one, press 5 for the planes. E, and there we go, that fits it in quite nicely. Okay, lovely. And let's have a look. Great. Just checking around on this one. So I've got to get used to my new mouse buttons. Yep, that's all fine. Now, same again. I'm going to press and hold D for my pivot point. Drag it to the center. Command D to duplicate. E to rotate. There I go. Command D, rotate again. Alright, and that's all, should all be looking quite fine. Remarkable. Excellent. Alright, now we're just going to put those balls in on the corner, in the middles. It shouldn't be too hard. Drag it. Drag it. Okay, just fit them in nicely. Just use your perspective. Yep, that seems to fit okay. Good. Command D. And Command D again. There we go. Alright. Excellent. Now, last one to do. Let's put those parts in the middle. Alright, so we're going to use this tool here, the cylinder. What's this one called? Okay. And I'm going to click and drag. Actually, maybe I won't do. Oh yeah, okay. Click again, and then click. Oops, no, didn't work. All right. Oh, I should have probably tried this before I did it. All right. 1, Okay, I'm not going to bother with it just for now. We're running out of time. All right, now let's just put in a base, and we should call it finished. Okay. Click and up. Oh, it's going a bit crazy here. All right. W. Let's make it down. Great. Okay. There you go. I'm happy with that. Now, let's just have a look. Last thing we'll do, let's just see. Oops. Put that all the way up. Come on, get that right. Sorry. All right, good. Now let's see how this looks printed. I need to press up here. And there it is. There's our lovely model. Okay, so next week we'll go into coloring it and adding some light. And yeah, that should be it. Thanks for watching.